Example 3, we are going to graph r of x equals 4 times base 1/2 to the x plus 1 power. So we only have two transformations here, and we have to look at them very carefully. I'll do the vertical transformation I see first. Vertical stretch by a factor of 4. So that's naming the transformation. What do? What is the operation we do? We take the y value and we multiply by 4. The other transformation is a horizontal transformation. And because it says x plus 1, remember that's a horizontal shift left 1 unit. So horizontal shift left 1 unit. That's how we describe it. What is the operation that we do? We take the x values and we subtract 1. So our parent function, once again, will be 1/2 to the x power. And then r of x is 4 times the base 1/2 to the x plus 1. And we'll take our key points, which we've already done once, -1, 2, 0, 1, and then 1, 1/2, and to the y values we'll multiply by 4. So I'll do those first. 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 4 is 4, and 1/2 times 4 is 2. So I have all my new y values. Now, also at the same time, what I do to the y in transformations, I also do to the horizontal asymptote, y equals 0, but 0 times 4 is still 0, so we haven't moved our horizontal asymptote. Now let's go back to our horizontal transformation. We're going to take every x value and subtract 1. So -1 minus 1 is -2. 0 minus 1 is -1. And of course 1 minus 1 is 0. So sketching r of x over here, first let's document our horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. And then we have stretched in the vertical direction, so our y-intercept is now 0, 2. And we have -1, 4, maybe that's about there. And then we have -2, 8, which my scale might not be great, but let's say it's about there. So there's -2, 8. And then you just carefully have to give this decreasing ramp as we try to catch these points, and we'll level out at the x-axis because that is our horizontal asymptote.